This script is a streamlined downloader for videos from YouTube and dozens of other platforms. Using the powerful YT_DLP library under the hood. It's designed for creators, editors, researchers, and anyone who wants to batch download videos with minimal hassle, complete control over output quality, and automatic file naming. It starts with a simple configuration. Just paste your video URLs into the list provided at the top of the script. You can add a single link, multiple links, or even playlist URLs if you choose to enable that option. The script is built to support not only YouTube, but also Vimeo, Twitter, TikTok, and many other video hosting platforms supported by YT_DLP. Below the URLs, you can set a target folder name where all your downloaded files will be saved. The script will automatically organize and name each video using its upload date and title, making it easy to sort, search, and archive your downloads. When you run the script, it initializes YT_DLP with a highly customizable configuration. It's set to download the best available video and audio, merge them together into a clean MP4 format, and suppress unnecessary warnings so you get a smooth, readable console output. The script can also handle errors gracefully. If a download fails, it skips to the next one and retries automatically up to 2 times. As the videos download, you'll see real-time feedback showing whether each file is currently downloading or has finished, so you always know the script is working as expected. This tool is perfect for building offline video libraries, backing up social media content, or repurposing video clips for editing and remixing. It gives you full control over what gets downloaded, where it goes, and how it's organized, without needing to touch the command line every time. And because it's written in Python, it's easy to extend, add metadata scraping, auto-tagging, resolution filters, or even connect it to a scheduling system that grabs new content on a regular basis.